Ooh, oh, I don't have this one.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here. Back from another video, back from another unboxing. Marvel! I bought this Marvel collector core from Amazon. Amazon is the retailer that does these now. And I was able to buy this and all the other pops that I might be showcasing, you know, in the next few days, thanks to my sponsor, Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or online store, make it with Squarespace. Oh boy, that was good. All right, let's, oh geez. So it's a mystery box, but it is Deadpool related, and it's Marvel. Well, obviously Marvel and Deadpool are one, but it is also Funko. I'm not gonna say get started. Let's go. So, ooh, oh, I don't have this one. Okay, let's get started with the first. Man, this might be worth the $20-something. It might, maybe it's not. I don't know. I don't know what this costs. This is exclusive to Marvel collector cores. This is Deadpool on a unicorn. So take a look at him now, cause there's just an empty space. Nobody knows that song. Anyway, so let's look. Deadpool on unicorn. There's also Deadpool with swords, thumbs up, heart. A lot of y'all have said, Lamarr, get the Deadpool collect. No, I don't want several of one person, except one person that you all know I need to have another universe. But no, I don't want to have all the Deadpools. They look cool, but I'd rather do it this way. So anyway, Deadpool on unicorn. Once again, exclusive to Marvel Core. Here's the thing. I know what you all want. They got a hard plastic. Oh, my fingers. I'll try. Okay, we did it. All right, so we got Deadpool on his unicorn. This is a bobblehead, which is okay. You know, I'm not crazy about the bobbleheads, but that's Marvel's and really Disney's thing. I like the unicorn. It's so adorable. Like, would you ever think of Deadpool on the unicorn? I wouldn't think of that. There are other stuff in this box, not as cool, but that's what you get when you get one of these boxes. You know, once again, I did pay for this, and all the other stuff that I'm gonna show. Well, it's one more thing I'm gonna show today. This is Deadpool driving a truck. Okay, is this Fisher Price? So that is a plastic thing. I'm not sure that's all that, but not like the show with Keenan. We have two more things in this box. There's not a lot of stuff. And so, oh, this is cool. This is a luggage tag. All right, so that's the luggage tag. I like how bright the colors are, and the blacks are nice and deep. And then you can write your name, address, and telephone number on the back. It doesn't have to be luggage. It could be your gear backpack. You know, everybody's doing those gear backpack videos now. What's inside my backpack? I invented that. Okay, I might not have invented it, but I did it back in the day. I remember. And I think I stole it from the beauty gurus. Like, what's inside my purse? And I was like, oh, how about what's inside my bag? I'm about to go to CES. And then they stole it. I don't get credit for anything. No, I wasn't first. But all right, and the last thing in the box is a pocket pop keychain, Deadpool with swords. This is also a bobblehead. I can't do this as well. That was inefficient. This is pretty cool. And you, like I said, you put on your key. It's not exactly a bobblehead. Yes, it is moving back and forth, but I wouldn't really consider it a true bobblehead. But it, you know, it's close enough. But there you go. That's the keychain. So you have to ask yourself when you get this box from Amazon. And by the way, these boxes come out every 2 months. So the next box is Venom. It's already on their site. I'll put a link below. The question you want to ask yourself is, do you think it's worth it? Is getting an exclusive pop and some other stuff, and just the fact that you get this cool box, is it worth $25 to $29, whatever the price is, for something exclusive and for a few random things? Is it worth it? That's something you have to kind of price and ask yourself. But I wanted to share with you all so that you're informed that Amazon has something like this available. I have a bonus thing for you before we get out of here. So since we're on the Marvel train, I went back to Walgreens, I looked at their pop section again, because that's what I'm kind of doing, and I found this one. This is called Obsidian from the Avengers Infinity War movie. This is what? I said Walgreens? I always mix up Walgreens and Walmart. Y'all need to change y'all name. Okay, anyway, this is This is the pop, and it's a nice heavy one. So I just wanted to try it out. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let me get my face out of there because he looked better than I do. All right, but anyway, yeah, bobblehead. You can see him right there. He's holding his weapons. It's a cool, pretty detailed pop. I was just sitting at Walgreens. I was like, let me pick it up. You know, whatever the regular price of the mess. So yeah, if you want to check out Walgreens, they might have this one. This is an exclusive. Call Obsidian. There you go. Hey guys, I couldn't do all this purchasing without my friends at Squarespace. Squarespace is an amazing platform for designing and hosting your website. Their beautiful designer templates make creating a powerful online identity even easier. They have 8 new templates in 2018, and they are amazing and are part of their all-in-one platform. There's nothing to install, patch, or upgrade ever. They have an award-winning 24/7 customer service, and it's simple to set up or transfer your domain on Squarespace. And also, it's never been easier to sell your products or services online. Squarespace allows you to manage your products, orders, and inventory easily. So head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Lamarr to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So make your dreams a reality with Squarespace. If you want me to do this again with the Venom box, thumb up the video. And if you want me to do this on a regular basis, like find some Funkos and unbox them, well, hit that thumbs up because that will give me the signal. I killed him. That would give me the signal that you're enjoying this and you want more. So thank you. All right, guys, that's going to end it. Thank you so much for watching. Squarespace, thank you for sponsoring the video. I will see you in the next video. I'm not sure when this came out, so I don't want to say see you tomorrow and it's I don't know, but I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
He's the funniest guy who gets the job done. Likes how-tos, random bits, so fun. Man, he's so crazy, better pick up his thumb. Lamarr Wilson.